Hey guys, it's Joyce Meettoo here and welcome to this new video where I'll be showing you what niche to promote for your specific traffic. And for those who are new to my video, my name is Joyce Meettoo and I do videos and help you guys how to make money online as well as do videos on affiliate marketing. Now, if you are one among those brave ones that want to have a passive income lifestyle and set yourself free from the 9 to 5, my videos will mostly help you. So if you like search videos, search content, do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. And let's jump inside. And this is what you will learn today. The types of niche where you will find your hot product in your specific niche and what to promote and how to promote them, which is freely and organically and paid. So we start with types of traffic. Guys, there are health and fitness, relationship, which an example is dating. This is a sub niche, and make money online. And further sub niche are affiliate marketing, e-commerce affiliate, software, Amazon, cooking, sports, and etc. Cars and gaming still are niches, guys. And there are so many, guys. So many from where you can actually choose to do business with. But when choosing a niche, choose that one niche that will be fun to work on, that you love to work on and enjoy yourself. Because the two most important things when choosing a niche for affiliate marketing is number one, it should have a huge margins of profit. And number two, which is really important, is you're actually interested in the niche you choose. Taking into consideration these 2 points, they will allow you to create content for many years to come. Many marketers quit on their dreams as an affiliate marketer because they choose a niche for the money instead of their interest. And this is really important to actually choose a niche that you love. So where are you going to find the product of your niche that you choose? They are from ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, Max Bounty, and there are others such as independent proven systems. So let me show you a quick example what I'm talking about. So this is ClickBank. This is ClickBank. It is a platform for affiliate marketers to come and to choose their products that they want to promote. For example, there are, as you can see, guys, here are a lot of categories that you can choose your product from. There are self-help, mobile, education, health and fitness, etc. And another place is Warrior Plus. Warrior Plus, guys, it is mostly for websites or systems or softwares, money-making software in the internet marketing niche. So the same goes for JVZoo. JVZoo is the same for affiliate, and Max Bounty too is the same. You become an affiliate and start to earn for cost per action, which is CPA. What you do here is simply become an affiliate and bring in traffic that will buy products from there, and you get your commissions as an affiliate. Now, these 4 websites that I showed you, they are free to sign up. Okay, so you can sign up and get started. And the other system that I was talking about is the two main is Legendary Marketer and, as you know, is ClickFunnels. Let's say you're going on ClickBank and you want to promote a particular product related to your niche. The first thing you need to do is actually promote products that are already in demand. You will know why. Products that are already in demand means that people are actually looking for them and they are ready to spend their money to buy them. So let's say you go on ClickBank. Actually, you should create an account and log in. So I'll just log in and go to a place called Marketplace and I'll find the product. So let me sign in. Let's get on Marketplaces. So this is a marketplace, and let's say you are in the fitness niche. So let's go on to health and fitness. Okay, health and fitness. Now, if you look So if you look here, the results are sorted in popularity, and there are other options that you can actually choose to sort the item for. When it's come to popularity, the most famous one is at the top. But that's not all you need to look at. There are stats like these, okay? And you need to look at the initial dollar per sale. This number is the average number that an affiliate earns in commission for each sale of one of these vendors, okay, vendors' products. And the average percentage rebill is necessary to look at because this number is only shown if the vendor offers recurring billing products, good? And GRAV, which is short for gravity. This number represents a unique calculation by ClickBank that takes into account the number of different affiliates who earned a commission by promoting this product over the past 12 weeks. So this shows the demand, guys. And average rebill total. So the average rebill total, the number shows the average amount of an affiliate makes in commission on all of the rebuild sales of a recurring product. Okay, good. And there are other stats that you need to look so that you can confirm that this product is worth promoting or not. And if you look at the second one, there is a rebill. Rebill means, like I said, recurring income. Good. Now, you can go on to Warrior Plus 2, JVZ2. You need to do your research because these are the things that you need to know before actually choosing your product to promote. And like I said, gravity means the people this product is actually in demand. Okay, so and if anything that confuses you, you can just go onto the frequently asked questions section and learn more about it and do your own research. But the products that are already in demand, guys, they are the product that you should go for and promote. And the independent proven system I talked about, it actually depends on you guys to really want to promote them, because these products that are shown, they are not in the marketplace like ClickBank or Warrior Plus JVZ, because they know their products are so amazing that people are willing to seek them and apply to promote them because they have already proven themselves to work. Okay, now I'm not saying that products in marketplaces like ClickBank, JVZ, etc., they are bad. I'm just saying that the products and services of these independent proven systems are proven to be the best in both education-wise and earning your affiliate commission-wise. And the next thing you need to know, let's have a look, is how you are going to promote them. And you have two ways actually. I already mentioned in the first unit that you will be either do it through either a paid system such as running social media ads to get unspecific number of impressions and clicks, and the same goes for the search engine ads such as Google, and also by buying specific clicks through solo ads. But in order to make most out of the money spent in ads, you collect your opt-ins in your mailing list and proceed via email marketing strategies. And the next thing you can do is attach a Facebook or Google pixel in your first time running ads, and the next time retarget those ads in front of those people. And lastly, do researches. Where are your competitors actually making the most profit, and on which website they are doing it, and which sales funnels are actually being used to make them money. So you just funnel hack their funnels and pay those same places to where they were running their ads, and now you run your ads and boom, you start making money through paid system. Now, the second way is organically. And organic way is much more high converting, but it consumes time and involves a lot of effort. And that's why I mentioned choosing a niche you love, because when you're doing it, it doesn't feel like a burden and you're actually enjoying the process of growing your business and finally growing with your business. And how do you do that is by providing contents that will not go obsolete. like the tips that and values and business lessons that I'm giving you guys, and providing values about the product. You're talking about the product, about what actually it does, and providing tutorials about the product. An example is ClickFunnels, and I will show you guys how you can create a landing page, okay? And comparing the products you're promoting with other products. If you take ClickFunnels as an example again, I can compare ClickFunnels with other funnel provider software, such as maybe Conventry or Builderall, and show you guys why ClickFunnels is the best, and showing the benefits and results it brought you and other people, and how it can benefit your traffic. You can also show your results or someone else's results, because if you're just starting, you will not have the required results, right? So mention someone else's result and how it brings advantage, how it's bringing value in someone's business. So this will be the end, guys. I really hope you got value from this video. And if you did, please do smash the thumbs up button and subscribe and hit the notification bell. It will help me provide more content such as this one. And it's been fun. See you on the next video. Bye bye. God bless.